Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my current flat twist out routine for my 6-month post Texlaxer Texlaxed hair. Let's get started. I'm going to be starting out with freshly co-washed hair that I kept in the towel to keep it damp. The first thing I'm going to do is section my hair into 4 parts. Then I'm going to take a mixture of warm water and jojoba oil and spray it on each section and gently detangle. Once I detangle all sections, it's time to start flat twisting. Here, I already twisted all of the back of my head, and now I'm going to show you what I did on the front part of my head. I'm going to section off a medium-sized strip of hair and tie the rest away. And then I'm going to spray it with my oil and water mixture. I'm going to be using the VO5 conditioner to style my hair. This is the amount that I'm going to use per twist. It gives me a light hold without weighing my hair down. I apply it thoroughly from the roots all the way to the end. Then I quickly run the comb through my hair. My hair tangled very quickly. Then I finally start flat twisting. I flat twist away from my face. I prefer flat twisting over just twisting because flat twisting reduces the volume of my roots. I'm currently 6 months post Texlaxer and my roots are so much thicker than the rest of my hair. When I flat twist, my hair looks even and you can't really notice the 2 different textures. I take my time to prevent any unnecessary breakage. I twist tightly all the way to the bottom because the hair will poof up once you let go. I add more conditioner to the ends to make sure that they twist well and stay hydrated. For the front, I just make sure to add enough conditioner to my hairline and twist tightly. I also twist away from my face. This is the final results. I have a total of 10 twists, 4 in the back and 3 on each side. They look juicy, hydrated, and they feel so soft. For going to bed at night, I like to use a satin scarf. I just tie it around my head and tuck in the loose ends. I've had this one for years and it's definitely time I replaced it. And there you have it. It's time for bed. See you in the morning. Here is what my hair is looking like the next morning. It doesn't look exactly how it should look. It looks a little flat and smooshed and out of shape. And I think it's because I styled my hair at 3 p.m. in the afternoon instead of around 8 or 9 that I normally do because I was filming and I needed the daylight. And I think I took off the scarf around 11 or 12. So I kept in the scarf a lot longer than I normally do when I usually just wake up and take it off because I wanted to film it. So I think this is why my hair looks different and it doesn't look exactly the way it does. But nonetheless, the curls still come out really cute. I apply some oil to my hands and I unravel each twist gently. Here is what the twist look like when I've taken them all down. Now it's time to fix my parting. I don't like a middle part or a side part that I styled during the twist, if that makes sense, because it comes out really sharp. I like doing a middle part when I'm twisting my hair and then I take a little bit of hair and move it over and bobby pin it to style. That just frames my face really nice and gives me that soft side part that I like. If I have any weird pieces of hair that didn't curl, I just tuck them into my hair. Then I go on to separating the twist and adding volume to my hair. I separate gently to reduce frizz and I separate the curls where they want to separate. Then I will pick out the roots and kind of fluff and give everything a nice filled out look. If I don't like how the front is looking, I will just bobby pin hair in different places and just kind of play around with my hair and position different curls and kind of fluff out the roots and just do different things and play around with my hair till I kind of get it to look how I want it to look. No twist out ever looks the same, so it's about just playing with your hair and trying different fluffing routines and just kind of bobby pinning different hair to different places and just really seeing what works over time. And here is the final look. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.